given much thought about the possibility of water disappearing from Earth. But have you ever tried to think what would be the actual scenario if something like this ever happened? Let us tell you about the different possibilities that can occur if water suddenly disappears from our life and ultimately from Earth. We all know that water is an essential component of all non-living cells, plants, animals, fungus, and so on. In the absence of water, they all would desiccate and crumble to death, which means that without water, there will be no life on Earth and every living thing on Earth will die. No water on the Earth means that there will be no evaporation. Hence, no water vapor in the atmosphere. The sky might change its color and have a reddish tint in it due to the high oxygen content in the air. Similar to Mars, a thin layer of oxidized dust will settle over everything. And who knows, aliens living on other planets might establish their satellites and start experimenting to find out if Earth ever had life on it. Without water vapor, there will be no greenhouse gas effects, which will cause the surface temperature drop substantially and maybe even below the freezing temperatures, and we will return to the Ice Age. However, it doesn't matter much as there will be nothing much left to freeze. The oceans will be huge and vast barrels of salt left due to the absence of water, and there will be no deep seas to learn scuba diving. Although there would still be wind, as the atmosphere would be heated by sunlight. There will be no weather anymore. There will be occasional bout of lightning or ship lightning, once the atmosphere on Earth would have built out enough charge. Thankfully, we don't have to experience all these scenarios as we still have water left on Earth.